So today I was sent two cases. One's a soft case, one's a hard case. I'm going to show you the soft case first. Now they're both from a company called STARTRC. Now I don't know if that's the correct name. If it ain't, I'm pretty close, I think. Anyway, what I do like about these cases, I've got cases from the other drones, but this is for especially for the Mini 5 Pro. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to open it up for you. Got a nice pair of zippers. So there you got your compartments. So obviously you can see that's the Mini 5 Pro. This would be a controller. Now you can obviously use your RC2 controller. Just put that in right. So that fits in there. I mean, admitted I got my strap on, but you can see it fits now. And obviously the RC N3 controller will fit in there because it's a slightly smaller size. But I just wanted to show you that. You got your ND filter compartment there. You got your battery charger, and then you can put in your batteries there as well. And also at the top there, if you notice, you've got a little compartment to put in your certificates, registration of flying, spare props. Very nice. And obviously it's light, and also it comes with a strap. Now you don't have to have the strap. You can have the strap taken off and just use the carry handle. But yeah, I think it's quite nice, and it's a good way of transporting your drone about getting it destroyed. So the next one, which I like the best, which is the hard case. Now the hard case, this is for if you're going on holiday, things like that, or if you're going out somewhere it's a little bit rugged, saying you're going on a bit of a hike, so you know that your drone is going to be secure. Now you've got a seal here as well, so if it rains, you know you're going to be waterproof. This is what I call a typical shower. So this is what I call the ultimate test. Oops, I should have done that. Oh no. So anyway, put it underneath. Is that one underneath? Okay. So, is it going to be wet inside? That's the question. Okay, let's do the seal, because it's got like a seal there. Okay, I'll just take that off in a minute. Okay, let's do those two flips. Okay. Okay, so completely dry, just to prove. Obviously my hands are wet, but obviously the main one is that. Look at that, eh? That's what you call a proper test. None of that woofy stuff where cutting a bit of rain on it in the water. Now the other one, I presume, you know, for light showers and things like that, that would be pretty secure. But for this one, I reckon you could just chuck this in the river. But I wouldn't suggest doing that, of course, obviously. So I know this is a bit drastic, but just to prove this is a hard shell case, I'm just going to throw it. Now, was that a good idea? We're going to find out. So, as you can see, just thrown it. No cracks on the case, which is the main thing. And I've opened up. Hang on, let's get this right. And we just open up there. All still very secure. And also to prove that the drone still flies, let's get the drone out. Turn on the controller. What I am going to do to be on the safe side is put my landing pad out as well. fantastic drone, I must say. I'm really pleased with it. Let's just open it up. It will automatically charge up. So it's already charged now.
Home point updated.
So that's already kicked in, so let's fly that drone.
Take off.
Okay, off
Home
we go.
point updated.
You got some nice clips on there. And if I just release the air valve, as I call it, and see in here I actually put in the some of the drone stuff. So that's the strap. Now usually when I do a hard case, I don't usually use a carrying strap like that, but you've got the option of doing that, and you've got hinges on the side there to connect that up. So as you can see here, at the moment I've got the RCN free, but if I remove that, and also you've got this pull away there, and if I get this right, because I know I always put this in wrong, put it in round that way. Yeah, so that, as you can see, that fits in nice and cool. And also if I wanted to, I could leave the strap on there, that'd be no problem as well. So as you can see, Mini 5 Pro, you've got your batteries there, you've got your charger, you've got your cable there, and I think you've still got enough room to put maybe some props and things like that. I'll be honest, it's a little bit heavy, but then you expect that for a rugged case like this. Nice clips, put up the seal there. So you got a picture of a drone there, hard shell mini series case. On the back you got the name of the company. Yeah, pretty rugged. And if you notice at the sides there, you can put a padlock on there to make it even more secure. Yeah. So, would you get one? That's the main thing. Would that interest you? As always, guys, there's going to be another video coming right sooner.